When you first see your WordPress blog, it will probably look a lot like this, with some minor variations. This is the default look of a WordPress blog, but you can change most of the things on your blog to make it look the way you'd like. But unless it's a really radical change, people who know WordPress will recognize that your blog is a WordPress blog. And they'll know that because WordPress blogs have several components that are unique to WordPress blogs. Let's take a look at some of those components. First, there's the header. This includes the title of your blog and a tagline which by default says, "Just another WordPress.com site." Of course, you can change that if you wish. Bringing your pointer over the title drops a menu down. Since this is just an introduction to WordPress, I'm not going to get into those items here, but they are covered in other tutorials. The next button is the Follow button. This allows your readers to follow your blog, so they'll be notified automatically when you create a new post. Mousing over the next area shows how many times your blog has been seen in the past 48 hours, with the option to click it for full statistics on the use of your blog. Clear over to the right is the User menu. When I bring my pointer over it, a menu drops down with options unique to me as a logged-in user of WordPress. Next to that is a search engine icon usable by myself as a logged-in user. Of course, the largest area of the page is the blog post itself. This is the default first post in a WordPress blog, and it's titled Hello World. As you can see, it includes directions and suggestions for editing the post or adding a new post. Just below, you can see if there are any comments on your post and click on them to read them. Next to that is the category of the post, if you have assigned any. Your first default post is uncategorized. At the bottom of the page, over to the right, you can see the current theme your blog is using. I'll show you how to change the theme in another tutorial.